दूसरी जानिब तर्जमान IMF ने बताया कि IMF एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड का इजलास 25 सितंबर को शेड्यूल किया गया है। पाकिस्तान ने तरक्याती शराकतदारों से दरकार जरूरी माली यकीन दहानियां हासिल कर ली हैं।
बोर्ड इजलास में पाकिस्तान के लिए कर्ज प्रोग्राम मंजूरी का जायजा लिया जाएगा।
On a new 37-month EFF arrangement on July 12th of 2024. And we are very happy that we can say now that the board meeting is scheduled to take place on September 25th. And this is following Pakistan obtaining necessary financing assurances from its development partners. This new EFF arrangement that will be subject to board approval follows the successful implementation of the 2023 9-month standby arrangement. Consistent policy making has supported economic stability in Pakistan, most notably a resumption of growth, a significant disinflation, and a significant increase in the country's international reserves.